and this woman like literally freaked out over my outfit. And then she told me that she saved a man's life at the mall yesterday. It was like a chaotic conversation. But I feel so freaking cute in this tracksuit. It's from Pink of all places. This bag, love it. Mark Jacobs. But this is so cute. Look, it's got a little like whatever the heck going on. The bottoms are an extra large. I could size down, but I don't want to lose the length, you know, like we need the length. And then this sweatshirt is actually a size large. And they go up to XXL. And they go up to like 16s there. Guys, it's like a good time over there. Also, side note, for my people that love water bottles, like this Awala water bottle, two things. One, it's made to make you look like a koala. And two, the amount of water you get out of one sip out of the straw is so perfect. I was really excited about this pant. I was really excited to wear a big, baggy, yellow barrel jean, right? We were pumped. What doesn't fit? The yellow, cute, baggy barrel jean. It doesn't fit. I will be going to Gap and I will say, you know what? They're gonna say, what's the reason for your return? I'm gonna say it was too small. I'm gonna say it with my chest. You know why? Because that's not my problem. These pants and the measurement of these pants not fitting my body shape has nothing to do with us. We're just not communicating together. An extra large would probably work. And you know what? There's no shame in that. There's no shame in walking into a store and saying, hi, this size did not fit me. I need a bigger one. And if you were in the biggest size, look at me, belly up. If you were in the biggest size in that store, look them in the eyes and say, figure out your measurements and go to the next one. It's not time for you to go on a diet, okay? Like, it's fine. Just go next door and find a garment that fits you. You are not trying to fit into a garment. Bye.
Hello. My name is Dylan and I'm chunky and I take this chunky bod. Here's a chunky bod for proof. And I go hit the stores and I figure out what the heck are we wearing, okay? And then I'm gonna come to you. I'm gonna give you the link so that you don't need to even leave your bedroom in order to feel cute and confident this fall. Today we went to Forever 21. No, we did not. We went to Fashion Nova. I have like 2 orders from Fashion Nova right here. And I was like, what if I just showed you what I ordered and what it looks like? All right, we're gonna do like, it's gonna be quick. And how about I stop talking already? All right, let's just get into it, okay?
Hey, my beautiful people. Welcome back to Fierce and Curvy, the place where curves rule, confidence is mandatory, and every single body looks like a whole vibe. What's good, fam? If you're new around here, pull up a seat, grab your favorite drink, and get ready, because we celebrate big girls, fit girls, hourglass queens, apple-shaped goddesses, pear-shaped slayers, basically any woman who's serving looks and refusing to shrink herself for anybody. We're talking killer outfit ideas for sizes 14 and up, real talk styling tips that actually work for real curves, hauls that don't play, trend breakdowns with your body in mind, and all the unapologetic confidence energy you can handle. If you love fashion that hugs you right, celebrates every roll and dip, and reminds you that sexy, chic, and comfortable can all live in the same outfit, then baby, you're home. So do your girl a favor real quick. Hit that red subscribe button down below, tap the bell so you never miss a slay, and drop a "I'm Curvy and I'm here" in the comments so I can come hype you up personally. We're building a whole community of fierce, curvy queens who know their worth, and I want you in it. All right, enough talking. Let's get into this fire look or hauls or tips because you didn't come here to play small. Let's go.